is how it's supposed to look after the water is reduced. And then we're going to basically whisk the cornmeal. That's how you're gonna get it to be thickened and really cole. So yeah, we're just gonna keep stirring it and stirring it over and over. I like when the bean is basically like mush in the cornmeal. It tastes like 10 times better. So that's what I go for when I try to stir my cornmeal, and I'm gonna let it cook for about 10 more minutes. After this is how it looks. Make sure you add a good amount of